guys, and welcome to another episode of Smackbook. Now, I went on to Game Jolt and looked for a game to play, and this is what I found. I found Necken. It's like a really simplified version of Terraria and Minecraft mashed together. Now, I did record another video, but I'm not going to upload because it was not very good. There were lots of points where I wasn't talking, so hopefully this will be more interesting and I can actually talk about it more as I go through the game. Now, once again, have not played it at all. Like, haven't even opened up how to let's play. So I'll be playing through this, and depending on how long it is, because I might do 2 levels, because depending on how long it is. So we'll get into it. I saw a little bit of how it actually works. And what is that? Okay, let's go. How to play. Okay, move with A and D only. Trigger tile by standing still. Trigger an empty tile while holding the hammer to build something. Got it. Pro tip: build a smithy to buy us. Okay. Okay, because I need to move. Oh, bridge. Pick up broom by activating tile. Okay. Damage. It says it's a sword, but still. Okay. Okay. Restore health by eating. Okay. Right. Oh. My thing is running low. Wait, gather. Okay, gather by activating tiles. Okay. So I need to wait for it to... Okay. Well, it's not what I expected. I thought you had to actually deal with it and stuff. I'm getting a little bit of sick, but still. Doesn't really matter. So it's nice. It's nice. Probably need a sword. Okay, let's build a sword then. Wait, that's a sword. That's a sword. What am I doing? There we go. To mother and father's house. Okay. Let's go. Use S to open backpack and store items. Okay. Pick up flowers to put on graves. What are graves? Oh no. Wait. This is bad idea. Bad idea. What am I doing? Oh, it's so weird because I think that you need to press down to go down, but you don't. Okay. Let's eat some berries. Regenerate. Okay, I can't regenerate anymore. Oh, damn it! Just no. Oh no, just go down, bridge. Okay. Activating grave while holding a flower. Here lies mother and father. Okay. So now I should go up to the flowers to see where to put them on the graves. Oh no, I need to store in my backpack. Ah, I get it. Okay. Oh, I didn't pick it up. Okay. Well, this is really fun, but it's not what I expected, which is like a really simplified version of Minecraft and Terraria. But it's like it's its own little thing. Why do I need to put the flowers in the grave? I don't understand. Like, they're my mother and father, but is there any significant value to putting them on the grave? Here we go. And a portal. Pick up the sword. Go down the bridge. There we go. Get wrecked. So hopefully this is a much more interesting playthrough than what the captain was, which I'll put a link down for the description, because that was a pretty good game. but I never actually finished it because it's got more blendings and stuff like that. But I'll put it down in the description because I think people should play it anyway. I don't know if this is helping me or not. It probably will be. I'm probably doing the right thing. Or not. It really depends. Oh, my sword's yeah. Does that mean I need a hammer? I think it's hammer. The thingy said I need a hammer to build stuff, so equip hammer and activate empty. Okay. Oh no. Put that in the backpack and then pick up the hammer. Drill the meat. Okay. And then build a smithy. And then I'm guessing I want to build a sword. That is my it's in my inventory, so it's fine. Let's mine that stone. I doubt you lose all your stuff at the end, so. Oh wait, no, that's fine because I got the berries here. Great. It is already better than Minecraft because you can actually mine the stone without actually without needing a pickaxe. I guess it's less realistic. It's easier. Fight, fight, fight. Oh, that's nearly dead too. I should probably go back up and get. Oh no, because I got my hammer. I won't go further from here on out. Oh, okay, so I have to do it on my own now. That's sad. It's really cool. It's like you know. I would say I haven't played that many games, but I would say it's pretty unique in its gameplay style, and I like it. Come across a lot of enemies, but the description said something about zombies, and that's what first jumped me. Because I love zombies. I've been watching The Walking Dead, so you know. Oh, my head's full. Oh, stop doing that! It's a nice art style as well, nice pixelated art style. I like this art style. Should have more of this art style. But whoa, what's happening? There was a guy. Do I need to defeat the guys? Oh, maybe it's not zombies. This is probably all his stuff. Oh, there's a guy there. Do I win? I win. It's okay. And pick up that. There we go. And let's build. No, that's not how you do it. Let's build a smithy. And then let's build here because I haven't built it before. Oh right, I can't do that. And put that in my. So I can pick up the hammer so that I can build a house. Oh, I need coal. I'm assuming that's what that means. What am I doing? I need to get my sword out. Oh, I didn't build a sword, that's right. I win every time. The hammer doesn't use durability. That's pretty good. So I'm guessing the objective is to become the king or stuff like that. Shot. Pretty close, so I need to go and build a sword. Very nice sword. How far have I travelled? Oh, I need to destroy 3 stumps, right. Oh, cool. No. Okay. I don't know. Oh, it gives me an extra life. That's pretty good. Upgrade. Oh, jeez! What is that? No. Oh, wow. No. Upgrade. Upgrade heap. My other sword was way better than this. What are you talking about? No! Oh! Damn it! I'm dead! Well, now I know what the gnome horde is. I won't be able to beat this. I won't. I'm not that good. I need to actually, like... Maybe I'll complete it in another episode. Very fun. Unique, you know, easily playable. You know, you can play it whenever, and it's really good. It's on Game Jolt. It's free. I think there's like a demo version for a full game once again. And I'll also put the link down for the other game that I was playing. I was going to upload, but it was really boring. But like, it's not the actual recording. Me recording was actually boring, not the actual game. The game is actually pretty interesting, so I'll put that down I'll put a link of that down in the description as well. It's goodbye from Smavhawk, and I hope I see you in another video. Goodbye. Juicy.